So friends, myself Bhakti Kalola from RK University Ayurvedic College and Hospital. Today my topic is Ashok Arist. So first of all, we will see what is Arist. It is the type of Sandhan Kalpana. Now there will be a question, what is Sandhan? Sandhan is a process of fermentation in which Dravadravya, Madhurdravya, Prakshapdravya and Sandhandravya are to be taken in inert vessel and sealed for a specific period of time to facilitate the process of fermentation. Asav and Arist are the two products of Sandhan. So we will see about Arist. Arist is prepared from Ushna Virya Dravya and it is prepared from Kvat Kalpana. But there is some exception in which Takra Arist is not prepared from Kvat. Arist has more potency because of Agni Sanskar, and more widely Arist is used in Vat Kafach Vyadhi. Now we will see about its slok. असो कश्य तुला मेकाज तू द्रोणे जले पचेत पाद शेषे रसे पूते नीचे पल सतद्वयम् दधात गुणस्य धातक्याः पल षोडशिकं मतम् अजाजिं मुस्तकं सुठिद्राव्यपुलत्रिकम् आम्रस्थि जीरकं वासां चन्दनचं विनिक्षिपेत् चूर्णयित्वा पलासेन ततो भाण्डे निधापयेत् मासादुध्वश्च पित्तवेन शृङ्गरुजां जयेत् ज्वरश्च रक्तपित्ता अर्शमन्द अग्नित्वम् अरोचकम् मेहसोऽथ अधिक रसत्व शोका अरिष्टं संज्ञितम्. So the reference of this slok is taken from Bhesaj Ratnavali, Pradar Rog Adhikar, and it is taken from 66th chapter, and the slok is 111 to 114. Now we will see about its ingredients. In this first Kvath Dravya, in which Asoktwak is taken 1 tula, that is 5 kg, water for decoction is taken 4 dron, that is 48 liters, and it should be reduced to 12 liters. Good, it is the one of the Madhur Dravya. It is taken to be 200 pal, that is 9.6 kgs. Then Dhataki Pushpa, that is the Sandhan Dravya. It is to be taken 16 pal, that is 768 gram. And lastly the Prakshap Dravya such as Krishna Jirak, Musta, Shothi, Daru Haridra, Nilkamal, Haritaki, Bibhitaki, Amlaki, Amrasti Majja, Jirak, Vasamul and Swet Chandan. All these Prakshap Dravyas are to be roughly pounded and it should be taken 1 pal, that is 48 grams.